Hello guys, Justin Duffy here, and today I want to show you my fire alarm collection. Uh, uh, Sorry about the black and gray, I just kind of like it, so I just put it on there. Sorry about the background noise. Sorry about the background noise over there. But, so here's my collection. Uh, here's my collection. So, first, we're going to start with the BG12. So, to activate this pull station, of course, push and pull down. It's pretty easy. So then here's, yeah. So it's a firelight, and there's key lock and everything. So yeah. So here's a Faraday chevron, of course. So pull down. There. And I don't really like this one because look, they totally screwed up the order. It won't lock or anything. Even if I try to lock it with the Allen wrench, nothing will work because there's no screw or anything. There's no latch. See? There's no inside latch. That's not fair. That wasn't nice at all. Well, moving over to the BG10. So yeah. Push in, then pull down. Oh, sorry. I have it unlocked right now, as you can see. So it's kind of hard. Hold on. Hold on. So that's pulled. Then that's how you set it. Oh, well, I'll do it. I guess I'll do it for you one more time. So just like that. And then this is just a simplex true alert, normal simplex true alert. This is just the horn strobe. Yeah. Okay, so here is the 270A SPO. And now it's pulled. Every time you pull one of these, hold on. You can't really see it on camera. It's kind of blurry, but it says to reset open station. So yeah, it's locked right now, but I can just pick it with my finger. Hold on. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. So now I have the pull station unlocked. So let's reset it. There's a switch. It goes down, so this is what it will look like when I activated. Okay, so yeah. Hold on, I have to do this a little bit quicker because my camera's gonna run out of time. Okay, so this is my simplex T-bar. Yeah, I do not know the model number. I just forget it. But I think it's a 44251-20. I don't know. But to pull it, you do it like this. Okay, guys, I'll be right back again. I gotta reset it. Okay, guys. So yeah, I just reset it. I'm back. Okay, so last fire alarm. Then this video will be over. This isn't a real one, it's just a fake one I made out of a paper clip box I made it out of tape and paper. So yeah, to pull it, you've probably seen one of these in the building. I don't know which one this is. It's either the BNG one or it can be the BG8, whichever one you want it to be. Okay. Hold on. Gotta reset it. Okay. So I pushed it back up. So now I just need to turn the key, push it back in, and lock. Okay, so that's that. Well, that's my fire alarm collection for today. That's all. So I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Bye.